Number system means even number and odd number. Even number divisible by 2. जो संख्या 2 से पूर्णतः विभाजित हो जाती है उसे इवन नंबर या सम संख्या कहते हैं। जो नंबर संख्याएं जो 2 से पूर्णतः विभाजित नहीं होती उसे विषम संख्या या ऑड नंबर कहते हैं। अब जैसे टेस्ट ऑफ द डिविजिबिलिटी, अलग अलग संख्या से विभाजित होने के लिए नंबर का एक्सपेरिमेंट टेस्ट करना है। तो जैसे डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2, तो हम 2 का पहाड़ा जैसे देखते हैं टेबल ऑफ 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, फिर 2, 12, 14, 18, 20। तो देखेंगे कि यहाँ इकाई का अंक 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, यहाँ 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 ऐसा होता है। इकाई का अंक 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होता है जी, 2, 4, 6, 8। So the number having unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So therefore it is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3. Sum of all digits, मतलब संख्या के सभी अंकों का योगफल 3 से विभाजित होता है तो वो संख्या पूर्ण रूप से 3 से विभाजित हो जाती है। अब फिर अगला है डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 4। इसमें संख्या के अंतिम 2 अंकों के पेयर्स को लेते हैं, जोड़े को लेते हैं, वो 4 से विभाजित होना चाहिए। जैसे उदाहरण के लिए 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 56 को जो है हम 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये संख्या पूर्ण रूप से 4 से डिवाइड होती है, तो ये संख्या भी पूरे 4 से डिवाइड हो जाएगी। अब जैसे डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 5 में अगर इकाई का अंक लास्ट किसी भी दी गई संख्या का इकाई का अंक 0 या 5 हो तो संख्या 5 से पूर्णतः विभाजित हो जाती है। और डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 6, संख्या यदि पूर्णतः 2 या 6 मतलब उसको 2 गुणित 3 लिख देंगे तो संख्या 2 और 3 दोनों से पूर्णतः विभाजित हो जाती है, उस संख्या वो पूर्णतः 6 से विभाजित हो जाएगी। नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 7, इफ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्वाइस ऑफ द लास्ट डिजिट आर यूनिट डिजिट, देन द नंबर formed by the other digit is either by 0 or multiple of 7. For example, this is 780 by 5 by 4. So this is last digit 4. 4 multiplied by 2, this is equal to 8, and remaining number 785. So this is 785 minus 8 is equal to 777. This is divisible by 7. Another number 2555. So this is last digit 5. So this is 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5 is 10, and remaining digit 255. 255 minus 10 is equal to 245. And this is 245 again, try divisible by, this is 2 5 is 10, and this is 24. 24 minus 10, this is equal to 14. Answer. Another, this is 101969. So this is 10196, and this is 9 multiplied by 2, this is equal to 18. And this is 10178. This is difference of 1096 minus 18 is equal to 10178. And again apply, this is remaining number, and this is unit digit number twice of unit, 8 2 is 16, 1017 minus 16. So this is equal to 01. So this is equal to 1001. So again 101 100, and this is 1 multiplied by 2. So this is 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. 98, 9 minus 2 8 is 16. So 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7. This is this is divisible by 7. So therefore these numbers are divisible by 7. Another test of divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digits of a number form of a number is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits, ones, tens, unit, hundreds. Divisible by 9. If sum of digit is divisible by 9, sum of all digits are number divisible by 9, so then number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 10. If the last digit or unit digit is equal to 0, then number is divisible by 10. Divisible by 11. If the sum of one set of alternate digits, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 1, so sum of alternate digit 1 3 5 1. So this is sum of one alternate digit, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9 plus 1 10, and sum of other alternate digit 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12. This is 10, so 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. It is not divisible by 11. So if the sum of one set of alternate digit and sum of other set of alternate digit differ by 0 or 11. So they are multiple of 11. This number is divisible by 11. Divisible by 25. If the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 25. Last two digits 2025, 20975. So this is divisible by 25. This is divisible by 25. These numbers are divisible by 25. Find the number of divisors of 1420. 1420 can be divided into different multiples. This is 142 multiplied by 10, and this is 2 multiply 7 1 multiply 2 multiply by 10, 2 multiply by 5. This 10 change in 2 multiply by 5, and this change 2 multiply 71, and this is equal to 2 raised to power 2. This is 71 raised to power 1, and this is 5 raised to power 1. So these are the required factors of this number. So find the number of divisors. Divisors belong to, this is power of 2 adding 1, this is equal to 3. This is power of 1 adding 1 is equal to 2. This is power of 1 adding 1 is equal to 2. And this is multiply, so 3 multiply by each. So this is equal to 12. 3 2 ja 6, 2 ja 12. Answer 12. So therefore answer of this is 12. Which of these has the total 24 positive factors? So this is number 21 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 3. 21, 3 7 ja 21. So 3 raised to power 5, 7 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 3. So therefore total number of factors are, this is 5 plus 1, 6, and this is 5 plus 1, 6, and this is 3 plus 1, 4. So this is 3 3 36, 6 6 ja 36. So therefore this is not equal to 24. Another number 2 raised to power 7, and this is 12. So this is 3 4 ja 12. 3 into 2 into 2 power 3. This is first number. This is for 12. 2 raised to power 10 and 3 into 2 into 2. So this is 2 raised to power 7, 3 raised to power 3, and 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 2, 3 ja 6. So therefore number of factors are, this is equal to 8, and this is 7 plus 1 8. This is 3 plus 1 4, and this 6 plus 7. So this is 8 4 ja 32. This is not 24. So this will be not possible. Another number, this is 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to 3 power 6, 3 raised to power 4. So this is 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power, this is 6 plus 4 10. So therefore factors are 7 into 11. So this is 77. So therefore it is not possible. But another number 63. So 3 3 ja 9 multiply by 7, 63, and 5 11 ja 55. So this is equal to 3 square 7, and this is 5, and this is 11. So this is equal to 3. Number of factors are 2 plus 1 3, this power 1 2, this power 1 2, this power 1 2. So 8 3 ja 24. So this answer is D. Answer of this question is D. If 81y and 27x, then find the value of x. 81y, so 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 81, and this is y, and 3 raised to power 3 x. So this is equal to 3 raised to power 4y, and this is equal to 3 raised to power minus 3x. So 4y is equal to minus 3x. So therefore x is equal to 4 by 3y. So therefore answer minus 4 by 3y. This is the question. Find the value of this. This is equal to 3 root 18. 4 4 ja 16, 5 ja 18. This is 18. But difference of this is equal to 81, and this is equal to 80. So 81 minus 80, so therefore this difference is equal to 81. It can be written as 9 minus 4 root 5 direct. Of this is 4 common, so this is 3 4 ja 12 root 5 plus 3 9 ja 27, and this is 4 3 ja 12 root 5. This is 12 root 5, this is 12 root 5, this is equal to 27. Only this number. But here is whole root of this number. What is the value of whole root of this number? This is equal to whole root for 27. So this is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. So this is pair and equal to 3 root 3. So therefore answer of this is 3 root 3. Another question, the sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 10. So sum of digit is 10, means 8 plus 2 10, 9 plus 1 10, 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 4 10. All conditions are satisfied. While when digits are reverse, reverse number, then the number decrease by 54. Original number decrease by 54. So means original number then the number decrease by 54. So number reverse original number by 54. So therefore 54 is equal to original number minus reverse number. Difference. So therefore it can be reversed. This is equal to 82. This is 91. This is 37. And this is 64. After taking difference larger to smaller, this is 12 minus 8, 14, 4. And this is 6 minus 7 minus 2, 5. So this is 54. The answer of this number is 54. This is the answer of this. But try another question. This is 91 minus 19, 11 minus 9. Unit digit 2. So therefore this is not possible. 7 minus 7, 0. This is not possible. And this is 14 minus 6, 8. Not possible. So therefore correct answer this. A381 is divisible by 11. So find the smallest natural number. A381 divisible. So this is sum of these numbers. A plus 8 difference minus 3 plus 1 is equal to smallest number 0. मतलब some difference of this numbers are equal to 0 or either the multiple of 11. So consider smallest number 0. So this is a plus 8 minus 4. So this is equal to 4. But after this is not possible, satisfy 0 taking is 11. So therefore a is equal to 11 minus 4. So this is equal to 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. So answer of this number is 7. Okay, so 0 or 11. So consider 0 not satisfied because this becomes this side going to negative number. So therefore we consider positive 11. Smallest digit divisible by 11. Find the LCM of the number. So LCM of 5, 8, 11, and this is HCF of 2, 9, 14. But 5, 8, 11 they are separate form. So therefore this is LCM 5 into 8 into 11, and this is 1 into 2, and can be written as 1 into 3 into 3. 14 written as 1 into 2 raised to 7. But here common highest factor is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Multiply all of this is equal to 440 upon 1. So therefore its LCM is equal to 440. Number of factors of 1800. This is 1800. This is equal to 2900. 2 into 2 into 4500. And 2 into 225. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21, and 3 5 ja 15. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 25, 3 into 325. So this is 2 square into 3 square. Here 2 raised to power 3 times. 3 raised to power, this is 5 into 5. So this is equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 2. So therefore number of factors are 3 plus 1 4 multiply 2 plus 1 3 multiply 2 plus 1 3. 3 3 is 9, 4 is 36. Answer is equal to 36. The number of number n where n is equal to 10800. This is 10800 can be converted there in small multipliers. 2 into 54 and 100 into 2 into 50. They are changed into the smaller multiplier as form. So this is 2, 2 and 2. 2 4 times. This is 2 raised to power 4. And there are 3, 3, 3. 3 times 3 raised to power 3. 5, 5 raised to 2 times. So therefore total number of factors is equal to this 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3. Multiply by 3. 5 4 is 20, 23 is 60. Total factors are 60. Odd factors of this number. These are odd number when this is only one even number. So therefore even factors not can be find out by directly because only one even number. So therefore find out the first odd factors multiply by the product of two odd numbers. This is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is equal to 12. So then remaining total factor minus odd factor is equal to even factor. So this is equal to 60 minus 12 is equal to 48. So therefore 48 will be the answer of this question. Total number of factors of 1800. 1800 can be changed into 18 into 100. And 18 2 into 3 into 3 and 100 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So therefore 3 this is 2 3 times 2 raised to power 3 means 2 3 times. This is 1 times 2 times 3 times and this is 3 2 times. This is 3 3 2 times and 5 2 times. So this is equal to total factors are is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Multiply this 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Multiply this 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. Answer of 36.